Hey guys, how y'all doing? On today's episode of Outfits Garage, we're getting into an outfit. Check this out. We are working on our trailer today. We are replacing these old bolts with studs. Yes, sir. That's what we're doing. Stay tuned. We'll be back. We'll show you how we're doing that. What we're doing here, drilling these out. I've already got 3 of these drilled. The reason I got the tire on here, a couple of lug studs in here, lug bolts, so that you can hold this thing. Because if you try to drill it without it, that's what happens. You try to drill it and it just goes round and round and round. So do it like this and it's steady. You might want to come over here. Somebody kind of knows how to drill, but if you're going to drill with one of these with a big drill bit and with it on the 1/2-inch drive mode, in the gear mode, you got to do it in a certain way because it will grab and twist you around. So you always put your leg right here on your drill. I don't know if you can see that, but you line it up and get it straight, and it'll self-pilot. See it drilled through the wheel. Because these studs, I'll show you the difference here. That's what was in there, and they keep stripping off up here and breaking off, and this is what's going back. See, that's the difference, and it makes a big difference. Anyway, you have to drill your holes a little bit bigger in your wheel so that your lug studs will fit through. You go real easy because it'll grab, yank, and all that. Stop there a little bit. A little coolant on there. Just that quick. That's all you got to do. Okay guys, we're back. We pulled the hub off because you have to take this off of the inside of your brake drum to get to your studs, to be able to put your studs in. And what we're doing right here, to get you a little closer here, these are little guide pilots, if you will. They're all the way around the wheel. We're just taking our cutoff wheel, cutting those off because we don't need those on these new style wheels. On the newer style wheel, your wheel, when you bolt it up, will ride on top of these instead of seating flat. So you have to cut those off. We're going to take a flat disc and kind of smooth them up, but we're instead of buying all brand new axles, we're just rejuvenating these old ones. And the brakes look good, everything looks good inside here, so we're gonna get all of that working. But the bearings look good. But we're just gonna cut these old pilots off so that we don't have any more problems with wheel trying to come off or anything like that going down the road. So yeah, we're probably gonna buy some new tires and wheels for it eventually. But anyway, that's what we got right now. We'll be back with you here in just a little bit when we get this thing all buttoned up. All right, guys, got a finished product right here. We're gonna let this dry for a little bit. Put our tire and wheel back on, back over here, and I'm gonna do exact same thing over on the other side of the trailer. And so appreciate y'all watching today. It's a little short video, but just a little something to put out there, let you see. We had a sunshiny day, a little cool, probably about 55 degrees out here. Not bad, but thought we'd get out here and do a little something. And appreciate y'all coming along with us. Matthew's holding the camera and I'm sitting here doing a little bit of paint job. And, we got these studs in there. They turn out real nice. So we'll let this dry, and we're gonna keep a hammering, guys. So that's what we do around here on Outfits Garage. We just keep on going. We want to say God bless you guys, and keep a hammering.